Hey guys, Bodhi here from Pierce Maker Studios, bringing you another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2025 Coat Rack Monster. Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time. I haven't uploaded in a minute. Honestly, it's because I got a little bit burnt out and then I had a lot of missing schoolwork. So I just figured it would be an appropriate time to take a break. I've been gone for about a month and a half. I uploaded that King to Cobb video a couple days ago. But now I'm going to really start getting back into the swing of things, unboxing props, making roller coaster videos, because Family Kingdom will be opening soon, so I do want to go see what kind of new rides they have. I was going to actually do this video like a week ago whenever this thing arrived, but then I got sick, and I still technically am contagious. I feel good enough to make this video, but I currently have COVID and the flu, so at the same time, so that sucks. But let's get into this. So Haunted Hill Farm bought back an old Spirit Halloween animatronic called the Coat Rack Monster. This guy is really cool. It looks like a slide out, of course, because it is techie. This guy was known as a very faulty animatronic back in the day, but I'm sure he's a lot better now. Alright. I do also have the two other Haunted Hill Farm animatronics that they just released. The Convulsing Nurse and Gravely Granny. So those will be on the channel soon. But yeah, here's what you see. First thing, you see him in there. And yeah, a lot of his stuff. As always with Techie, we have a crap ton of zip ties to do before we can even get anywhere near the setting up process. So the first two things that I am going to be pulling out right here is the control box, which I'm glad it does have the big control box with the huge speaker. Definitely going to be great for when you have this thing on. You want to hear this audio loud. It also doesn't have that crazy delay, so it should definitely scare people. And this thing's on full volume already. And then just a regular leg pull. These are definitely very good pulls. Right here we have the actual monster himself. So of course this lifts. I mean, the hat doesn't lift, but it kind of like goes down and then he comes out. And the mechanism is in here. I haven't seen a ton of people show this. This mechanism, I'm not sure. I think it's kind of like that clown a couple years ago at Party City, like the one who lifts his arms. There's probably another animatronic that like has the same mechanism, but it's just not coming to mind right now. But yeah, it definitely looks like it's going to last a lot longer than the old one did. Definitely a lot bigger mechanism. Same idea, but a lot bigger and better quality. We have two additional hats right here that'll go on his shoulders. Right here is the base. This can slide off. Yeah, you know, it's just like a regular metal base. Pretty good. Seems like it'll definitely last. The old one had a wooden base. It did not last. I never owned the original Coat Rack Monster, but from what I've heard, it didn't last. This seems a lot more high quality than I thought it would be, honestly. Like I saw this in a video and I'm like, oh god, this looks horrible. If somebody steps on that, it's going to break. It definitely doesn't seem anywhere as bad as I thought it would be. I think this would be fine for it, especially with that thing underneath. Definitely will be okay. I mean, and other than that, we have, of course, the adapter over here, the instructions, the little snap lock remover, but, I mean, other than that, that's kind of it. Not a ton going on with the Coat Rack Monster. You know what I'm going to do in this video? I'm going to be different, and I'm going to have you guys with me while I set this thing up. I'm not going to do a time lapse. So with this prop, I'm going to be a rebel, and I'm actually going to not use the instructions, which I commonly do that, but I don't know. I've never set this one up, so don't think I need them. Seems pretty self-explanatory. A to A, you know, just like usual. And I've watched videos on this guy too, so I guess I technically have had instructions. A to A. I think it's really easy, actually. B to B. Flip this around. Put this guy on. Oh dang, he's kind of short. I guess not really. He's decent size. Let's plug up some wires before we do anything else. We'll get G plugged into G. H to H. Where's H? I saw H earlier. Oh, there's H. And then F to F. And that should be all the wires right there plugged in. So now, except for the adapter, which I am going to do now actually, because if I cover that up, then that's getting annoying. Yeah, you always, before you like put all the clothes like where you want it to be, you always want to plug the adapter in first. Because then you have to like, if you don't, then you have to like go in there and do that all again. And also you want to make sure the control box is how you want it to be. So when I put this adapter in, I'm going to go down here, plug the adapter jack in, and then I'm going to put it to motion only. And I'm going to have the volume about halfway up. I don't want it to kill us right now. Put these arms in. And because the face is up, I'm also going to assume that the arms are supposed to be up. I think I'd be right to assume that. Okay. I'm going to assume that's just all the way in. There wasn't like a really loud click or anything. It kind of just like it wasn't. So I'm going to assume that's all the way in. Yeah, I think that's in. And let's pull that over a little more. All right, so we got that, and then we have to put the hats on. I don't think it really matters which side. But once I see which exact side it's going to be on, I'm not sure if this is or isn't, but I am probably for Halloween going to make mine like slightly different. I don't know. Sometimes I like my props being different. And yeah, that is the setup of Coat Rack Monster. Now we're going to plug him in. Let's plug this thing in. Oh boy. Here we go. Oh wow, that actually looks like a coat rack. Yeah, that thing was just at the front of your house. Hey. Whoa. Oh my god, that's only halfway the volume. That was so loud. Alright guys, so that is the Coat Rack Monster. This guy is really, really great. If his quality lasts, I think it'll be great. This is latex, unfortunately, but it should be alright. I'm sure the vast majority of people will be using this guy inside, or at least in a garage. I don't know why you just put him out there in your lawn. I think that would look really stupid as a coat rack. But this guy really is amazing. He has a great jump scare. I think he'll get a lot of people. A lot of people will not see that coming, for sure. Definitely because of all your other animatronics, you will not see this guy coming. This guy was on Walmart's website for like $80 at one point. I did not get that deal. I know a lot of other people did. I got him for $230 on Amazon, which I do think is a little steep. Definitely, like, you can wait and get him for like $200 or less, most likely at the end of the season. So I would do that if I were you. But this guy is great other than that. I will leave a link to the Amazon where I purchased him. And yeah, Other than that, I will also leave a link to my merch store. And yeah, please like, subscribe, comment, share, as that helps the channel greatly against the YouTube algorithm. And other than that, aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.